I think it's possible.
And they called for the pre-registration stuff.
Yeah.
I wonder.
Oh, I'm sorry. We no longer take Medicaid. I said, but you're on the list. Apparently it changes weekly.
Yep, they got the cheap wash.
Every other day, whenever I got up.
Can I go in and enter the code? Mother, can I go in and enter the code?
Trinity, Mother Francis.
Mm-hmm.
Mother,
I wouldn't take it.
Can I go in and enter the code? I'm getting out to do it.
No.
Why
Why
not?
are you getting out to do it?
I like getting out to do it. Please? Oh, door's locked. Jeez. Alright, the code is 433890. Huh?
You have purchased the work plug.
Good. Get the code entered in.
Calling off being home.
Mm-hmm.
And then they sent me the paperwork quickly. It's like, ain't happening. I'm not starving for 2 days, so you can
Right.
I'm like, that ain't gonna happen. I
Right.
suffer from low blood sugar. You can't make me go 2 days without eating. But you can do the short one. I'm like, it'd still be all night and all day.
Mm-hmm.
It's like, ain't gonna happen.
Well, of course, Becky has had that weight loss surgery.
Are they not going or something?
And when
He's going slowly.
it was time for her colonoscopy, she had to remind them that she had had that surgery.
I don't think they have very long for the dryer.
Full thing, because she couldn't consume that much liquid.
Yeah.
I don't think they have very long for the dryer.
I thought it went over you. You gotta drive through the dryer?
Yes. You gotta drive through it. Okay, now it's telling us to drive forward.
But no, insurance rules the world.
Yep.
Undercarriage.
Kick on.
Yeah.
You doing, dipshit?
I don't know what they're doing.
Right up my ass.
Drive ahead. Stop.
It's just, it's crazy.
I get a combo wash, Brenda.
Yeah, I'm sure they got you the top wash.
Yeah.
Did they?
Yes, they did.
Okay. So that made me mad. I'm like, they're gonna cut me off at the end of the month anyway. One time I need to use my Medicaid. And of course, like I said, the only answer you use is like,
Right. Very true.
and you're like, okay, we'll turn it right back on.
Mm-hmm.
You know, no, you can reapply. Like by the time I reapplied, you'd be out of school.
Right. Yep.
But
Hey, Brenda.
the last girl that I talked with said I get to jump through a whole new set of hoops after he's out of school. Well, people over there, that up was like, no, it's just done. I'm like, well, maybe it's with SSI or something because they told me I was going to have to jump through a whole new set of hoops.
Right.
Mrs.
So,
Hey, Brenda.
I don't know.
Hey, Brenda.
Guess I'll find out. Well, I got an appointment. When I applied online for my Social Security, they sent me something. I'm like, what the hell is it? Well, when I went there the other day, I was like, oh, okay. There's more than one thing. You got Social Security, disability, insurance.
Now we're getting high pressure wash.
So they said I didn't have enough credit to fill the insurance.
Right.
High pressure wash.
I know the woman.
Dang, this thing's got some pressure to it. Wait, Brenda, this thing's got some pressure to it.
Yeah.
Triple foam is next.
But,
Well, he gets his, but since I can't work
right?
and still no child support of any kind, which we should be getting.
Ooh.
When he dies,
Here comes the triple foam.
um,
This is my favorite
I
part,
have
Brenda.
something to help. I mean, they've cut off everything else except food stamp.
Mm-hmm.
We lost our TANF when he turned 18. And
Really?
didn't realize that. It was like that $160
Oh,
a
Mother.
month is a big chunk. When
Right.
you're, or 120,
Mother.
whatever it was. It's a big chunk when you're
Mother.
broke.
Very true.
Can you not cuss while in the video,
I'm
please?
trying not to.
Because I always post videos after I'm done recording them, Brenda.
I don't know how to bleep stuff out. In fact, I don't even know how to upload or edit a video.
I think you'll have to do that. I think that's possible to do that in Sony Vegas. Bleep stuff out.
Well, YouTubers bleep stuff out all the time, but I've never tried to do it, so I couldn't tell you.
Yeah. I think that's achieved in Sony Vegas, is it?
Took the right out of it yesterday and
I know
Brenda.
weather this morning channel 4. Now I finally got my TV turned back on.
Is that satellite on the top of the house not in use?
Well, no.
Is it pointing out
Well,
look at the southern sky, not the northern sky.
the guy came out yesterday to put mine out.
Dang, look at them brushes go, Brenda. Brenda, look at them brushes go. Hey, Brenda. Hey, Brenda.
You can tell by my hair.
Brenda.
So I
Brenda.
just want to
Brenda.
say, it's hot. I mean, it must be hot here.
Brenda. Brenda.
Hmm?
Most car wash videos are usually about 8 minutes in length.
They got an 8-pound bag of chicken breasts.
You hear me, Brenda? Most car wash...
$15, I think it is. It's
Brenda.
$1.87 a pound.
Brenda. Brenda. Brenda.
So 8-pound bag goes a while.
Well, yeah.
And then they got their
Here comes the clear coat.
the black Angus patties.
Here comes the clear coat.
And turkey burgers for $5 something. So it's about $2 an
Everybody almost in that complex goes to the big house.
Yeah.
There's a little 91-year-old man. Him and another woman. And they get all this stuff. Well, this little old man, he can't eat meat because he doesn't have teeth in his mouth.
Oh, we're getting sprayed with spot-free rinse.
So he was bringing me the meat that he got. They brought me canned goods. They brought me fresh vegetables because there's one thing that's all they have.
The leaves start hitting.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Look at that spot-free water coating.
I've never been in any of the food banks.
Well, you know,
It
there's.
sounds very nice. They get fresh vegetables.
Look at that spot-free water coating.
Will's Point, I think. I don't know. I could find out.
Drive ahead.
But
Slowly. We get a long time for the dryer.
so I.
It's leaking on a car. Mother, it's leaking on a car.
I know.
That's the thing I hate. That's the thing I hate most about Brenda. Car washes tend to leak on your car nowadays.
Yeah.
Because they tend to leave spots. And I'm like, what the heck? You can't do that.
But I've got a turkey breast in the freezer.
I am not rolling down the window just like Brazy did a long time ago. Because whenever I roll down the window, it'll let all the air in. Eight, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. That's it. That's it for the car wash, Brenda.
I believe I've got 2